What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we're going to continue the form, just translating it onto JavaScript. That's all we're doing. I've already built the form. I was just going to add the signature pad. That's the very last thing. I believe I finished the last name already, so let's go ahead and see. So last name whole, is that why I close it? I think. First name whole, last name. I created an input, last name. Looks good. Now we're on to email. Let me just double check real quick. I don't know if I created it, like if I built it with Webpack. Okay, I hadn't reloaded it, but this is what it looks like so far. So it's looking pretty good, as we expect it to look like. So let's move on to the email. And pretty much the same thing, just instead of last name, email. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, copy all this and kind of just change the words or whatever. So we start off with the div of, it's gonna be email hole. So, let's change this right here. Email hole, and that's gonna be added to the top section. Inside the email hole, we have a div, email title. Which is onto the email hole. And then onto the title, email title, we have a label. Then we're gonna give it email label. I'm just gonna leave a little mark there so I can go over here and change some things. I'm gonna add an ID. What did I put? Email label? Simple. I'm gonna add one right here as well. Might as well. I'm about to do it next. So this one, I think it was star. Is that what I named him? Last name star, yeah. What else needs to ID down here? Where did I put those? I did input, last name input. Email input. And yeah, that's all there is for email hole. Alright, cool. Alright, so email, let's go back to where we were. Alright, so last name label, so we're just gonna change it to email for email input, and then for the email label, add text. Obviously change it up to email. It seems like how would he say it? Wait, is something? It seems like I don't know. Some type of, like I have a job of like updating databases or something. Email, so email title, what? Yeah, email title. We're gonna add a P. Wait, I thought already, oh no, I had created a star on this side, on the right side. Email star. And then to that email star, I added the text of the star. Email star. What else we got? Input. I had already added that as well on the right side. email input, and then to the input. Okay, this is what we're gonna add. So not right there. Email input. And there it is. I think that's all we. Oh no, one more. There it is. Email input. And that's it. Is it? As far as email goes? Let's load it up. Okay, and I did the webpack. Now let's reload it. It's not. It's supposed to be fully. It's supposed to be full. I don't know why it's. Where's my other one? Where's my other one? Did I? Oh, it's right here. So this is the index one. This is the one that I finished already. But it looks like. It looks like it doesn't. No. Did I add attribute to element? Something. Email star. Wait. It doesn't have to email whole. Okay. Label. And then the 4. And then label that says email. Or adding text. Load element to container. A p tag. Okay, yeah. Add text. An input. Type text. No, that's oh, that's why. It was. I think the CSS was based off of type email. So once I change it to type email, it should be good. And then add another attribute to the name email input. Okay, that should be good now. Gotta rebuild it though. Alright, now after reloading it, it should be good. There it is. It was off of the type email. Okay. Alright, so yeah, we're pretty much done with top section. Go down to middle section. It's a lot of writing, but it should just be an easy copy and paste. This one has a lot less stuff, so we can do that one right now. I was gonna wait for another video, but we might be able to do it right now. Let's see. We can actually top section. We'll keep that there. We'll have its own function. We'll do, what is this called? Middle section. And then in order for it to run, we gotta have it on the display. So we'll have middle section. And then we can start working on it. We can start off with well, it's not really, there's no divs inside of the section, so we can just go ahead and just do it. So we'll do add element, or add what? Wait. Oh, load element to container. I could have just done add element to container, but whatever. To the container of middle section. Wait. Do I have the section on there already? How about this one? Do I have the... Oh no, I created the top section right here. So I need to create the top section over here too. The actual top section. So let's go ahead and do that. It's going to be... well, it is going to be load element. It's going to be load element. And it's going to be onto content. That's what we're going to do it. Yeah, onto content. Element, we're going to have section. And then ID, we're going to give it middle section. What else? Middle section, and we can load up another element to the middle section. We can load up the element of H4 and give it an ID of terms title. If I can spell it right. And add some text. Simple as that. Terms title. And then we can just copy the text from here. Almost done. I thought it was going to take a little bit longer. But, I mean, they were being real here. It's been like 13 videos. Or like 14 videos. So it has taken up a lot of time. Add text to element. Yeah, that's pretty much it for that one. We're going to load up another element. Another element that's going to be text area. That one's going to be onto the container of middle section. And then text area. Lastly, give it an ID of middle terms. I thought I had, looks like I'm missing a, no, we're good. For some reason it seems like we're missing something. Looks like we're good. Terms title, no, it looks, it's good. Oh, is it the columns and rows? Load elements to container text area. Yeah, I think that's all it was. We'll do that and then we'll end the video because, you know, my camera is running low. So to what element we're gonna do middle terms. Attribute calls. And we'll do 30. And since it's pretty much the same, we can just go ahead and copy this one. And we'll just name it rows instead. And we'll put 10. And then we'll go ahead and build it. And it's sort of there. Obviously we need to add the text. And that should be it for that one. And we're getting really close to what we actually came here for, which was this right here. The signature pad. Which requires a node download. And that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.